This week I'm testing the Toyota Corolla Hybrid Sedan. It's a 5-seater. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Toyota Corolla Sedan, there are ISOFIX in the 2 outer seats. They are within plastic guides and lovely and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages behind each headrest in the fixed parcel shelf. Now they are quite difficult to access and connect to, being a sedan, and they're actually extremely difficult to disconnect the top tether clips from. Now I could only fit 2 child seats in the back here. We could get either forward facing or rear facing, and with a rear facing child seat installed, I found about a 180 centimetre passenger could sit in the driver's seat. In the back of the Toyota Corolla, storage is very minimal. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders that will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. The door bins are small in the back here, but they will hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's just one mat pocket on the back of the passenger seat that will hold and conceal an iPad. Storage in the front of the Corolla is quite minimal but practical. There are 2 cup holders in the central console here. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and behind them is a small central console box. In front of the gear lever is a little well good for your phone or your sunglasses. The glove box is a good size in here. It would hold my wallet and my iPad with the manual, and the door bins aren't a bad size. They will hold a large refillable water bottle. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Toyota Corolla Hybrid Sedan. Empty, it will hold 15 shopping bags. The Duet twin stroller will fit with 5 shopping bags. The Flex tandem stroller will fit with 7 shopping bags. The Urban Jungle single stroller will fit with 8 shopping bags, and the Nano compact stroller will fit with 11 shopping bags. You can't put a dog in there because of the parcel shelf. The Toyota Corolla Hybrid is a really quiet and economical car to drive. Being a hybrid, you can actually watch when you're using the battery power and when you're using fuel, which is really good. And you can drive your child to sleep, really without using much fuel at all. The media system in the Toyota Hybrid is nice and simple to use. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. When you put it into reverse, the camera image is quite pixelated, however it is a nice big image. So to sum up with the Toyota Corolla Sedan, it is a good, quiet family car, and being a hybrid you save a bit of money as well on fuel. It does fit those 2 car seats, and the boot size is great.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.